Hey everyone, in this video let's talk about why the Duolingo app appears to be cracked. In order to do so, here we are in Android, and as you could see, the Duolingo app appears to be cracked. The icon there has a kind of cracked look, looks a little bit misshapen. The reason is because it's trying to encourage you to open the app. It means that you haven't opened the app in a while, and so it's trying to encourage you to get back in there and engage. And once you do so, then you should see after a short time the app will change back to normal. So if we just open up the app and go ahead and go through the steps, then once we've done so, then going back, we should be able to see that the Duolingo icon has changed back to normal. The cracked icon is just an indication that you haven't opened the app in a while, and they're trying to encourage you to do so. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.